Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Zigbee gateway. First, carefully unbox your new Zigbee gateway and identify all the components, including the power adapter and any network cables. Next, grab your smartphone or tablet and download the specific mobile application provided by your gateway's manufacturer. This app is crucial for setup and control. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account within the app, which usually takes just a minute or two. Now, let's get your gateway powered up and connected. Plug the power adapter into the gateway and then into a standard wall outlet. You should see an indicator light illuminate, confirming it's receiving power. If your gateway uses a wired connection, connect an Ethernet cable from the gateway to an available port on your home router. For wireless gateways, ensure your mobile device is connected to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as many Zigbee gateways initially require this frequency. With power and network established, it's time to add your gateway to the app. Open the application and look for an Add Device or Add Gateway option. Follow the on-screen instructions, which might involve scanning a QR code or entering a serial number. Once recognized, put your Zigbee devices, like smart bulbs or sensors, into their pairing mode. This often involves a quick button press. Then, within the app, start the device search to discover and connect them. If you encounter issues, don't worry. First, ensure your Zigbee gateway is centrally located and within about 10 meters or 33 feet of your devices for a strong signal. Always check the app for available firmware updates. Keeping your gateway's software current is vital for stability and new features. For larger homes or areas with many walls, consider adding Zigbee repeaters. These small devices extend your network's range, ensuring all your smart devices stay reliably connected.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.